punk! Good work, guys. Don't move! Don't do anything stupid. You won't get out alive.
Move and I'll blow this fucker away.
Ah!
Drop. You move and I'll blow this fucker away.
Put that guy down, asshole!
Move and I'll blow this fucker away. You know what? Fuck him.
Oh!
Please, no. No more.
Go ahead, move. I'll blow his fucking head off.
Hold it!
Hands on the wall.
No! No, don't shoot me. Okay, no problem. Please, I can't carry on.
Dumbass machine.
Oh, no, no!
Shit, I'm out of here.
I thank you, Lord.
Help! Police! He's over there.
We're here to help, sir.
Now's my chance.
Requesting backup. Cover now. Bring him down. Fire at will.
Asshole took out Lenny.
Fire at will. Scratch one bad guy.
No, no, no!
Dumbass machine.
Oh, shit.
Move and she dies. Understand? Are you gonna stop pissing me off?
Nope. Oh, help me.
You move, I pull the trigger.
Don't hurt her. I'll do it.
Fuck with me, and you're next.
Someone help.
Freeze, punk! Don't bring her into this.
All right, drop the gun.
I'm dropping it. Don't hurt her.
No, please don't.
Stay there. Move and she dies. Understand? Are you gonna stop pissing me off? Don't you fuck with me, or she's dead. Drop it.
Okay.
Don't make me shoot her. Quit getting excited or I'll kill her. Are you gonna stop pissing me off? Quit getting excited or I'll kill her. She's the only fucking thing keeping you alive right now. Man, woman, cop, I've killed them all.
No!
Open fire!
This is my chance.
Get me some backup.
Bateman. We lost Bateman!
Hey!
I spotted him.
Next time, duck. Next time, duck.
If he was here, he's gone. Use lethal force.
ASAP. Blow him away!
You shouldn't have messed with me.
Stop or I shoot!
Enjoy your funeral, pig.
Oh, please!
Oh, shit.
Nobody move. Okay, up against the wall.
Over here. He's here. Fire when ready. Officer needs assistance. Code 3.
Find him.
Lost Ramirez.
Target acquired. Open fire. Take him out.
Stay there.
Easy there.
Stop or I'll shoot.
Don't, please. Oh, no, no, no. I can't take this much longer.
Just take it easy. Don't make her pay.
Put down that damn gun.
Sure thing. Just don't hurt the lady.
I ain't staying here any longer.
She's the only fucking thing keeping you alive right now. Are you gonna stop pissing me off? Quit getting excited or I'll kill her.
Easy, buddy.
Stay still or I'll put a bullet in his head.
No problem. Just don't hurt him.
Stay calm and he'll live.
I will do it. Just leave him alone.
Don't go anywhere.
Oh! I can't stay here no longer.
Up against the wall. Drop it.
Okay, I'm backing off. Now don't hurt him.
Go on. Make me do things the hard way. Don't make me the bad guy here.
Damn.
Okay.
Don't kill me.
What the fuck? Bad move, dipshit. You think this is the first time I've had a gun pointed at me? Fine. Ah!
Unlucky.
That's right.
No one's gonna get hurt as long as you play by the rules, okay?
Oh, please, just let me live. Oh, no, no!
Freeze! Palm up!
Oh!
Everybody freeze. You know, I don't really give a fuck what you do.
Let's go.
Fuck is the backup?
Nothing personal. It was the uniform.
I've got him! Come on! Officer hit!
Don't move.
Just for you.
No one's gonna get hurt as long as you play by the rules, okay?
Let me go, and we'll settle this right now.
Fuck. I can't see him.
Go ahead, move. I'll blow his fucking head off.
All right,
Don't make me the bad guy here.
You'll get nowhere until you let him go.
Move and I'll blow this dumb fuck away.
Killing him won't help you.
All right, drop the gun. Get up against the wall.
Just take it easy. This won't get you anywhere.
Well, looks like we have ourselves a situation.
I feel bad for him, but he don't.
I've had about as much of this shit as I can take.
Back up! ASAP!
Drop your weapon.
Like hell I will!
Please, no. No more.
I got a cup.
Let him...
I think perhaps now would be a good time to back off.
let him go!
Leave him out. Grenade!
Tate's been hit! I need backup.
Let's find this guy.
There's the bastard! Get acquired.
Enjoy your funeral, pig.
Please guard the area or send out the air. Pay attention.
And I got a surprise for you.